Good morning, all of you. Today we will read about air pollution. In class 2, we have read about pollution. How is pollution caused? Children, as we all know that when harmful substances are mixed in air, water, sand causes different types of pollution like air pollution, water pollution and sand pollution. Today we will discuss about air pollution. What are the things that pollute air and what are the problems caused by the air pollution? So let's start. Air pollution. As I have already discussed that when harmful substances or the unwanted substances or substances which are toxic, which are dirty are mixed in the air, it causes air pollution. To pollute something means to make it dirty. Air becomes polluted or dirty because of natural happenings such as dust, storms. Means that due to natural happenings, air also become polluted like dust and storms. These also pollute air. It also becomes polluted because we add dirty things to it. We add toxic things to it. We add unwanted things to it which pollute the air. Now, things that pollute air. See children, here are some examples. As you can see in this picture, these are the smokes which is released from factories and industries. These smokes release harmful gases and these gases are mixed in the air and causes air pollution. See this one, burning of wood. When wood are burned, it releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases which are mixed in the air and causes air pollution. Okay. Now, look here. See, this is a vehicle. Smoke released from vehicles. Smoke released from different vehicles like cars, buses, scooties. These smoke produces gases which are harmful and it pollute the air. Cutting of trees. This is also a major cause of air pollution. This cutting of trees also causes air pollution. Now come here. Some of the things that make air dirty are smoke given out of vehicles like cars, buses, etc. As I have shown in this picture also, that these are the smoke is released from these vehicles and make pollute the air. Smoke coming out of factories. As you can see, this is the smoke coming out from factories, industries or chimneys. Smoke from burning wood, garbage, farm waste, etc. Smoke burning from burning wood, fossil fuels also pollute the air. Dust from construction, building of roads, etc. Like when roads or when building is constructed, it also pollute the air. 1, 2, 3, stop. Next is breathing polluted air. Or what are the diseases caused by the air pollution? Breathing polluted air leads to problem related to respiratory system. Means that this air pollution causes respiratory problems. Respiratory system problems like asthma, cancer, bronchitis. These are the problems caused by the air pollution. Let's see. The most common problem is cough and cold. See, cough and cold is the most common problem. Anyone can be affected from this problem. But people may get serious respiratory problems such as asthma or even cancer. Children, as we all know that cancer is a very dangerous disease. Okay, so how is it caused? Because of the pollution, because of the air pollution. Air pollution is also one of the major causes which causes cancer. Asthma is an illness in which the windpipe gets swollen, making breathing very difficult. Means asthma is a problem. Asthma is a disease or illness when windpipe, windpipe get swollen, making breathing difficult. And when we have asthma, we get problem of breathing. We cannot breathe properly. Cancer is a terrible illness that kills people. We know that cancer is a terrible disease which because of this disease people may die also. Next is making the air cleaner, means how we can clean air or how we can purify the air. We cannot stop using vehicles. Children, is it possible to stop using vehicles? No, na. Is it possible to shut down factories or stop building houses, roads, etc.? No, absolutely no. So, what we can do to make the air clean? So, these are the things which we can follow to purify the air. Number one, we can plant more trees. This is a very good step which we can follow, that we can plant more trees to purify air. Trees help to filter out some of the dirty stuff from the air. Trees purify the dirty stuff from the air. Next is number 2. We can make sure our vehicles work well so that they give out less smoke. We can check the pollution of the vehicle also. We can check the amount of smoke a vehicle gives out. As I have already told that we can nowadays in every petrol pump we are having the pollution checkup of the vehicles, so that our vehicles get purified air, clean air. Next is number 3, we can form carpools. What do you mean by carpools, children? Suppose suppose 3 passengers are there and they all have to go in same place only. So the best thing they should adopt is they can share one car or one vehicle and they all can go through it. As you can see in this picture, all of them are going in same direction and all of them are sharing the same vehicle, single vehicle. That is carpool. We can form carpools. When say 3 people going in the same direction form a carpool. As I have already told you, they use 1 car instead of 3. Yes, of course, instead of using 3 vehicles or 4 vehicles, if we are going in same places, same direction, it's always better to all share the things. We can share and go in the same direction. Why? To reduce the air pollution. This helps to bring down pollution because 1 car gives out less smoke than 3 cars do. As compared to 3 cars, 1 car gives less smoke. Next is, we can stop burning garbage and bursting firecrackers. This we can put a limit also, that we can put a stop, or we can just stop it by burning garbage and bursting firecrackers. Last one. There is a rule that the smoke coming out from a factory must be cleaned. If people followed this rule, the air would be a lot cleaner. It is given. The statement is very much clear that there is a rule that whatever smoke is coming from the factory, it should be clean. And if people follow this rules, if people obey this rule, our factory we will have a clean or purified air. Next is protecting yourself. How we can protect yourself or ourselves from air pollution. There are few things you can do to protect yourself from the harm caused by the air pollution. So what are the things? Let's read out. Number 1. A healthy body can fight off illness. Means a healthy body, we should take proper diet. We should take a healthy diet, because if we should follow a proper healthy diet, our immune system gets strong and it will help us to fight from different kinds of disease. So the first thing you must do is to eat healthy food. We should always eat healthy food, not junk foods. Next one. Exercise is another thing that is important for good health. We should exercise. We should do yoga, exercise, whatever you feel. We should do on daily basis, regular basis. You must play or do some other physical activities such as cycling or swimming every day. We should do cycling also, swimming, whatever activity you feel like you should do to protect yourself from air pollution. Air pollution is worse during some days.